So we're going to do some filtering next. And next to each of the column headings, you're going to notice there's an arrow. And the arrow basically lets you filter and limit the records that display. And we're going to start by filtering on special menu. So right next to special menu, you are going to click on the arrow. And we're going to remove the no check mark. So basically, when we apply this, we are only going to see events that require special menu. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. So under special menu, everything should say yes. Okay, now, how can you tell this was applied? If you look at the little buttons, you'll see there's a little funnel here indicating that a filter was applied, and if we point, it tells us. Now you'll also notice the ones that we sorted have little arrows indicating that those were sorted. Now to clear the filter from the special menu, we're going to click on that, and then we can just choose clear filter. Then they would like us to do a filter on room. So we're going to click on that. And they want us to remove the check marks next to Sunset and Westview, basically leaving Star Lake. And we're going to go ahead and click OK. So now at this point, all we're looking at are events in the Star Lake room. And we're going to click on room. And we could clear the filter, or another way to have it go back to the way it was before is just to click on select all, because by default they were all selected. Next, we're going to do a filter on event. So we're going to click on the little arrow, and they would like us to remove the check marks from all of the boxes except for wedding. So I'm going to click on select all. That's the easiest way to get rid of all the check marks. And then I'm just going to put one next to wedding and click OK. And at this point, we're just looking at the wedding events. And filters are cumulative, which is why we have been kind of clearing out the filter before we have done an additional one. But this time we are going to leave the wedding filter intact. And we are going to filter on room. So this is going to be a cumulative filter. And we're going to get rid of Star Lake and Westview. So when we apply this, what we are going to see are wedding events that are in the Sunset room. So let's go ahead and click OK. And at this point, they want us to redisplay all of the records. So we're going to go ahead and clear the filters, and that displays everything again. So what you need to remember about the filters is they are cumulative. Once you apply it, you actually have to clear it. Or if you apply additional filters, they are all going to be in effect.